Hi, my name is Siri and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It's been a while, like a couple of years since I've been on this channel. The reason why is college, basically. But now I'm done college. I've actually been done college for almost a year. But there was a lot going on with like post-grad, and I moved across the country. And I am just now finally fully moved in to where I can sit down, get my setup together, and film for you guys, which I've missed doing so much. I do not have a ton of free time, but I am determined to be consistent back on YouTube because I honestly love doing this. This is my passion project. I love filming, I love editing, I love uploading, I just love the whole thing. Yesterday I spent all day troubleshooting my audio, and I think it's fixed, okay? But enough yapping. I want to get into what this video is about, which is a huge makeup and skincare haul. Sorry also if there's like noise in the background. It's like the middle of the afternoon and I live in LA. So the makeup and skincare I'm going to be showing you today are things that I bought from like individual brands, like on their individual sites, or if I bought it on Amazon. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is probably the most boring thing here. It's from the brand called Mehron. Mehron is a professional makeup company. They are used by like mostly makeup artists, not that well known in the regular beauty consumer space. I love Mehron. They make fantastic products. So the first thing I got was the barrier spray. This is the 9 fluid ounce. It's like a refill bottle to refill my spray from them because I already finished it. So that's why it's already opened. Basically, this is a makeup fixing spray, not really a setting spray. It's a lot harsher. It kind of locks your makeup all into one. I wouldn't say to use it every day unless every day you are dealing with serious conditions and need your makeup to last through like a hurricane or tornado. You can use this before you put your makeup on and also after you put your makeup on, but yeah, just a little restock. Next product I got from them was their mixing liquid. This is supposed to intensify loose pigments, adhere glitter, and thin liquid makeup for airbrush use. Mix with loose shimmer pigments to create a metallic liquid makeup that is transfer resistant. Basically, this is like a transformation liquid. I just thought this would be fun to play with, to make the makeup I already own more diverse in terms of purpose. Next brand is this brand called Carslin. I think that's the brand name. Anyways, this is their setting powder. It kind of like went like mini viral. I at the time did not have a translucent powder that was pressed. This is what it looks like. It comes in a compact and then it has the powder. Then underneath it has a little puff. I thought this would be perfect for like on the go when you need to touch up. You just bring this in your purse and it just sets everything. Also, when I'm doing like a quick makeup look, like I'm running late, I may not have time to open the pressed powder, dump it out, put my brush in, tap off the excess before applying. I might just need something that I can just quickly stamp my brush in and put all over my face. So that's why I picked up this product, and it was pretty affordable. It wasn't too expensive. Next thing is the brand Medicube. Now, Medicube and I go back like years and years. I think I've been using them for like 3 years now. Been here before the big boom. Anyways, the main thing that I purchased was this. This is the Medicube Booster Pro. Now, I already own a lot of their products, and I was kind of wondering if the Booster Pro would be good for me or not, and would it make me not use my other products. And I wound up buying it on sale because I told myself this is perfect for traveling or when you don't have a lot of time to use the other products. This is just nice kind of on like your quicker days. Also, it came with this millennial pink case, which I think is so adorable. Have I used it? No, but maybe I'd use it for like glasses or something. I don't know. I always have a carrying case that I put all my devices in when I'm traveling, and I usually just put it in my drawer in my vanity when I'm home. I don't really need it, but still cute though. Next device I got from Medicube was this. This is their Age R Line Shot. I didn't know if I would really use it a lot, so I waited for a sale. Basically, you're supposed to use this on dry skin after you wash your face a couple times a week and just go where the lines are on your face. Also, this has its own booster mode as well, where you can use it with your skincare products. I'll keep trying these out and let you guys know what I think. Next thing I got were 2 of these booster gels. I just finished finished one bottle. I'm on my second bottle and now I have 2 backups. I don't believe I paid for these. I believe they came free. As a free gift, they gave me this red foam cleanser. I think I've used this once, so I'll have to use it again and let you guys know what I think. Next, I picked up this. This is their glutathione glow toner. It apparently has 6 types of peptide complex. Keep you updated. And then finally from Medicube, I got these 2 products. This is the Medicube Red Acne Succinate Acid Peel. It's a 1-minute peel that you like rinse off. And then the final thing I got was the PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. The next brand I purchased from was M Cosmetics, and it was these Heaven's Glow blushes, blush highlighter. I don't know. So the first one I have is in the shade Faded Clementine. It seemed like it was gonna be a little bit darker based on the swatches on the models, but everything looks different on every one. So I love this one. It's just a little light. So I went back and I picked up this one in the shade Persimmon, and this one is definitely a lot darker. My lights are very bright. I'll hold both of them up so you can compare. So Persimmon and then Faded Clementine. Next products I picked up were from Patrick Ta. I picked these up a while ago. This is the Blush Duo and She's So LA, and the only reason why I purchased from here is because I thought I finally found a brown blush, which I didn't, but that's okay. And you know, everything looks different on everyone, so it may look more brown on you than it does on my skin, but I still really like the color. This is what it looks like. It's this rose gold packaging full of my fingerprints, and then you lift it up, and this is what the compact looks like. There's a cream and then there's blush. And then I picked up this gloss. This is his Major Volume Plumping Gloss in the shade 2ccs. I love me a gloss. I love me a plumping gloss even more. I've only used this once, so I can't really give you any feedback. Next, you're gonna think I'm a little insane. So the next stuff is from Too Faced. So from the like company Too Faced, I got these 2 mascaras. I got them for like $27, right? And backstory, when I was younger, I used to only wear like high-end mascaras like YSL, Buxom, Too Faced, NARS, whatever. I don't know. I switched to drugstore. I didn't think there was a problem, but I kind of like missed the old mascaras. Every once in a while, I'll repurchase some of the old mascaras that I used to have. I mostly use like drugstore mascaras now, and for some reason I just turned to the dark side and I was like, no, I want my high-end mascaras again. And so I saw 2 of these for $27, which the retail of these is like $22, $23, I believe. But then I found an even better steal and I got 4 of these with a double coupon. I got these for the same price. And you're like, you're insane. And I am insane. You're technically supposed to change mascaras like around every 3 months. So I'll use 4 of them in a year and I'll have 2 left over next year. The next product I bought was from the brand Herbivore, and I don't know why, like whenever I look at this brand, it just screams I'm better than you. The brand's telling me, like the products are telling me, and I just wanted to own one. There's actually this like blue serum. That was the one that always looked me in the eye. Whoever is on that marketing team needs a raise. This is the Herbivore Pink Cloud Rosewater and Tremella Cream Jelly Cleanser. I have not tried it out yet. So excited to use this. So excited to see this on my bathroom counter. Just gorgeous. And you shouldn't buy skincare because it's pretty, but this one I felt like was okay. Next is One Size, and I bought so much. So number 1, I bought not 1, not 2, but 3 setting sprays. Being influenced online is way different than being influenced in real life. And what I mean by that is I was in Sculpt and I was looking at this girl and I was like, are you wearing makeup? Because it's like 115 degrees, 50% humidity, and she's wearing a full face of makeup and it's not moving. She has like a lip combo on, mascara on, a full face on, and I'm like, how is that not falling off of your face? And she says, I used the One Size, so I bought 3 of them. Next, I really wanted to try a pink powder. Also, I was out of my Laura Mercier loose translucent powder, which is basically my holy grail. And I decided to try something else. This is their One Size powders. They are huge. So this one's in the shade Ultra Pink, and this one is just in translucent. Probably should flip it around so you can see the colors. I love the packaging. I love all of the packaging. It's just so girly. Then I got a free gift with purchase. This is the One Size Ultimate Lifting and Lengthening Mascara in Bodacious Black. And this is what it looks like. For some reason, I thought I'd be getting a travel size, and then I opened this and I saw it was full size. I said, oh, thanks One Size for the free gift. So that is all for today's haul. I am just so excited to be filming again. I know this video will be a hot mess to edit because whenever I start filming after a long time, which I think this is the longest I've gone without filming since I started YouTube. Just, it's very weird, very awkward. Also, I will be posting a lot more frequently, so don't forget to subscribe. I forget what my outro is completely. I might remember it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed filming it. Love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, my loves.